Hi everyone. Today our topic about fractions. How to compare two fractions. Here 1 by 8 comma 2 by 6 different fractions. 8 6 different denominators. So these are unlike fractions. For the unlike fractions, how we can say that this is big and this is small? Simply find the LCM of denominators 8 comma 6 LCM. Take prime numbers. Starting prime number is 2. Check with rules of divisibility of numbers. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now this 4 and 3 don't have common factor. So these two are co-prime numbers. Now 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 8 comma 6 LCM is 24. Now 1 by 8 convert as 24 as denominator. Means write like fraction 1 by 8 as 24, 2 by 6 denominator as 24. Here 1 by 8 is equal to 24. In multiples of 8, 8 3s are 24. So 1 3s are 3. 6 4s are 24. When we multiply the denominator with any number, so must we multiply numerator also same that number. 4 2s are 8. Besides of 1 by 8, 3 by 24. Besides of 2 by 6, 8 by 24. Now these two are like fractions. Easily which numerator is small, which numerator is big, that is the biggest fraction, that is the smallest fraction. So 2 by 6 is the big fraction between these two fractions. Now another method, 1 by 8, 2 by 6. Simply you do the cross multiplication. 6 1 is 6, 8 2s are 16. 16 is the biggest number. So 2 by 6 fraction is bigger than this 1 by 8 fraction. Now second one, 3 by 4, 2 by 6. Here 4 comma 6 different denominators. So find the LCM of the denominators 4 comma 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now write equivalent fractions denominator as 12. 3 by 4, where 3 by 4 denominator as 12. 4 3s are 12. I multiplied denominator with 3. So multiply numerator also with 3. 3 3s are 9. Same in this way. 2 by 6 denominator 12. 6 2s are 12. 2 2s are 4. Besides of 3 by 4, 9 by 12. Besides of 2 by 6, 4 by 12. Now between these two fractions 12 12 numerator 9 4. So 9 by 12 is the big fraction compared to this fraction. So 3 by 4 is the big fraction. Next same question, another method, 6 3s are 18, 4 2s are 8, cross multiplication. So this is the big number. So the 3 by 4 is the big fraction. I hope you understood. Next to find the difference. Find the sum, find the difference for fraction same. There are same common steps. At last one small change is there. First you check they are like fractions or unlike fractions. If they are like fractions, then you add directly numerators or you subtract directly numerators. If they are unlike fractions, first find the LCM of denominators, then convert them equivalent fractions as denominator LCM. Then you can add numerators, you can subtract denominators. Now 9 9 both are same denominators, so like fractions. Directly we can subtract the numerators. Now 16 comma 12 different denominators. So find the LCM of denominators 16 comma 12. To find the LCM, you recall the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Among them, take first prime number. 2 table 16, where come 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12. Again, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now this 4 comma 3 don't have common factor. You multiply all these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Now convert these two denominators, equivalent fractions, denominator as 48. In 16 table, where come 48? 16 3s are 48. So automatically you multiply numerator also with 3. 13 3s are 39. 12 4s are 48. 7 4s are 28. Besides of 13 by 6, 39 by 48. Besides of 7 by 12, 28 by 48. Now I converted as like fractions. Directly you can subtract the numerators. 39 minus 28, 11 by 48. This is a proper fraction. Now next question, 11 by 15 minus 9 by 20. 15 comma 20 LCM 60 converted as equivalent fractions, then directly subtract the numerators. Mixed fraction, 3 1 by 5. First convert into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 10. Again, these two are unlike fractions, 5 comma 10. First find the LCM of 5 comma 10. 5 comma 10 LCM is 10 itself. Now 5 2s are 10, 2 16s are 32, 10 1 is 10, 121 is 21, 32 minus 21, 11 by 10. Difference of fraction means subtraction for fractions. Next, multiplication of fractions. How to multiply a fraction and another fraction, a number and a fraction, fraction and a number. Here I did observe 4 by 3 by 5. You multiply these two numbers. 4 by 3 into 5. There is no denominator. For any number we can write 1 as a denominator. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. For fractions, multiplication and division, no need to convert like fractions or no need to find the LCM. Directly we can do. 4 5s are 20, 3 1 is 3. 20 by 3 improper fraction. For improper fraction we can convert it as a mixed fraction. Simply 3 6 are 18, 20 minus 18 2. Reverse V, 6 2 by 3. Check 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 20 by 3. Again 4 3 by 5 by 3. 4 3 by 5 mixed fraction into 3. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23 by 5 into 3 by 1. 23 3s are 69, 5 1 is 5. This is improper fraction. Convert in this method in mixed fraction. Now 2 by 5 of 40. In mathematics, OF of means multiplication. 2 by 5 into 40. 40 by 1. Denominator 5, numerator 40. 5 1 is 5. 5 8s are 40, get cancel. 2 8s are 16, answer. Now 5 into 8 by 15. Here 5 by 1 into 8 by 15. 5 1 is 5. 5 3s are 15. 1 8s are 8. 3 1 is 3. 8 by 3. In this method we can convert as mixed fraction. Now 7 5 by 9 into 3 by 2. 9 7s are 63 plus 5, 68 by 9, 3 by 2. Check, is there any cancellation? In 9 is exactly divisible by 3 and 3 also divisible by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Now again 2 1 is 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 34 by 3. Convert as mixed fraction. Like you also write some more problems and practice yourself. Next, division. Fractions division. One fraction and another one is a number. 15 by 4 numerator, 3 denominator. In a whole fraction, if in a numerator place there is a fraction, simply you copy as it is 15 by 4. Then factor of any fraction is 1. So 1 by 3. 15 by 4 into 1 by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 1 is 5, 4 1 is 4. Now again 3 divided by 15 by 4. Here 3 is a numerator, 15 by 4 is a denominator. If in a denominator place there is a fraction, write same fractions reciprocal in a numerator place. You simply write this fraction reciprocal in numerator place. 3 1 is 3, 3 5s are 15, 4 1 is 4, 5 1 is 5. Now numerator also a fraction, denominator also a fraction. 5 by 9, 2 by 3. 5 by 9 same as it is numerator. 2 by 3 write its reciprocal 3 by 2. 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9. 5 1 is 5, 3 2s are 6. Same. First this is a mixed fraction, convert as improper. Mixed, convert as improper. In this way, same type. You also practice yourself. Whenever you more practice, then you can learn mathematics. Thank you.